Welcome to Linux Person channel. So in this playlist, we are going to see about the cybersecurity and ethical hacking videos. So initially we start with the introduction. So what is hacking? So hacking is nothing but is being able to access the system or server or network that should not supposed to have access to. For example, logging to a email account that do not supposed to have access to consider as hacking that account. Gaining access to the remote server or system that should not supposed to access. So there are three main types of hackers available. The first one is the black hat hackers, and the second one is the white hat hackers, and the third one is the gray hat hackers. So who is black hat hackers? Actually, these are the bad people that hack the system illegally in order to steal money or to achieve their own illegal goals. So these people are called as the black hat hackers. And the next one is white hat hackers. And these people use the same technique as the black hat hackers, and also they hacking into the system or server, but they only hack into the system that they have permission to hack in order to test and verify the security of the systems. The gray hat hackers, and they are the mixture of the two, that is the black hat hackers and the white hat hackers. They hack into the system or server even if they do not have the permission to test the security of the system. But they will never steal money or they will never damage the system or the data. So why hacking? So hacking means the people like us, who would go ahead and test the security of the system to make sure that these systems are secure and vulnerable to the black hat hackers. So the lots of companies, the main companies, big companies like the Google, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, they hire the hackers in order to try and hack into their servers, and they tell them where the weaknesses are so that they can fix it. And also they conduct some bug bounty programs where they literally ask all the hackers around the world to go ahead and try to hack into their websites, applications, and they will pay them a bounty. They will pay them a big amount for the bugs that they find. And for this tutorial, I'm using the Kalli server, and I have a client Windows machine, and everything is installed on the VM workstation player. And I have a network setup. So in this setup, I will create a virtual network where my host system, which is my physical system, and my host system is going to be the router for this network, and then all the virtual machines are going to be the client connected to this network. So they are going to get the internet connection from my host system, and this virtual network will relay on the connection of your host computer. And as far as the virtual machines are connected, they are connected to an Ethernet network, but in reality they are connected to the host machine. So in the next video, I will show you how to discover the devices that are connected to the same network and how to grab the informations like the IP address, MAC address, OS, open ports, running services, and many more. And we'll be using a lots of tools to grab all these informations, and I will tell you how to check and how to verify and how to collect all the informations that are connected on the same network. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe to watch the updates.